Video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install BattleBit on PC or laptop. So in order to download and install BattleBit on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. So to access the following game, you have to download Steam on your device. So for that case, open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and press the install button and run the installation program. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account, and then you have to log in into your account one more time. When you're logged in, head over to the store page, and on this page go to home, and right on the page you need to go ahead and select the search bar and type in BattleBit. When you type in BattleBit, you'll be able to find a particular game that you're looking for, and go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info section. Here, scroll down a bit and then go to add to cart. If you're sure about it, then click on view my cart, proceed to the checkout process, and you'll have successfully bought or installed the following game on your device. So that's basically how you can download and install BattleBit on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.